I'm going to teach you how to load out of 3 spouts at the same time. Ready? You sit there and you watch this gauge right here. It's almost to weight where I need it. Boom. Okay. Top out. You shut off spout number 1. You shut off spout number 2. And then you stand here and you watch your gauge. Yep. We watch the gauge on the back. Loading wheat. Yeah. And then we're gonna run 2 spouts over the pup. Oh, that's not from me, by the way. We're doing good. So far, so good. Make sure that you're gonna grab the right handle, and this is the right handle to shut off that spout. So, almost to weight. Almost to weight. Down to down. Okay, we're at weight. Pull the handle. Whoa! And then, so the spout is shut off. We're gonna hop into truck, pull around, or pull forward. So if you look in my mirror here, back down there's a cone. I'm gonna line that cone up just past the front tire on the pup. And that means I know at that point, both spouts are over the pup. Boom. Set your brakes, hop out, let's go do this. All right. All right, all right, all right. Okay. Spot's number 1. This one's gonna take a little bit of lead in my butt. I can pull that spot open. And this one, boom. 2 spouts over the pup. Just like in the movies, you know. So far, so good. So far, so good. And I always carry around a quarter to put right up underneath the door there to hold my door up so that I can look through at my gauges. It's the little things in life. Okay, well, watching the gauges, watching the gauges. Yeah, not so bad. See, it's real simple. You just gotta do things with finesse and grace and a little bit of ease. Go through it with a clear mind. Don't freak out. Okay, so now we're at weight. Boom. Weight. Whoa. Well, that one's at weight. Then we gotta run over here. Grab that one. Boom. That one's at weight. And let's see what we did. You know, I think we're overweight. Because I'm an idiot, but you know, you never really know. Never really know. I may have to jump off a smidge. So here we go. Oh, here's my truck, by the way. Yeah. Yeah, dude. Yeah, dude. Here we go. And no, I'm not recording a video and driving down the highway. I am literally looping around at this grain elevator that I'm at in Grangeville, Idaho, Columbia Grain. Yeah, dude. See, look, Boom, Columbia grain. There's no car coming down the street. Cool. Right on, right on. All right, let's go. Just go way out and see what this does. Like I have a feeling that we're gonna be a little heavy on the pup. And honestly, it's only because I wasn't quick enough on the lever. 37 flat is my lightweight.
Got it, thank you.
Okay. Let's see if I can get on the scale. Weighmeter. We're on the scale. Yeah, see? Over there. Back of the lead trailer's on the scale. That's important.
77 even.
Okay. Okay, it's not so bad so far. I can live with it. Let's try this. Let's try just a little extra on, like the pup, or take a little extra off the pup. We're gonna have to. I bet you. Maybe not. Hey, maybe I got lucky. But there's the pup. The pup's on the scale. We're good. Please give me a good number. Come on.
110.060.
I'm gonna take a buzz off the pup.
Okay, copy that.
See, I know myself. I knew we had to take a little bit off. I'm gonna teach you another trick while we're at it. This is like, okay, this is gonna be a 10-minute video. I ain't even gonna lie to you. But hey, you're hanging out with the 10 lug thug, so let's just hang out and party. Wow, I'm kicking up a lot of dust.
Did you take out the lead?
Okay, yeah, this is gonna, all right, and I'm gonna be quiet while we're in here. I'm not gonna talk to you. I'm just gonna show you. Basically, when I open up my gates, I open them up about 2 inches, about 2 to 3 inches. And that means then you, okay, so when I open up my gate 2 to 3 inches to dump off some product to get down to weight, that takes off about 100 pounds a second. And that makes a big difference on being able to dump off to exactly what you want and being efficient at dumping off. So I'll show you, about 3 inches roughly, I will show you. Okay, come with me. Come with me and you'll see the world of FMCSA violations. Oh yeah, look at that shit. Yeah, what up? Okay, pay attention. I only gotta take off like 1,000. That should do it.
All right.
Thanks, man. See, so now that I always take off about 1 to 3 seconds more than what I actually need, just in case my eyeball measurement of how far to open my gate is off, just in case it's off a little bit. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna go check way now. The little girl up there that wants me to honk the horn. Cool. All right. Now we're gonna go way out. I'm pretty sure I got it figured out this time. Hey, make sure you don't drag your pup through the ditch. That's important. You can get close, okay? Just don't do it. All right, here we go. We're gonna pull on the scale. Okay, I only took it off of the pup.
Okay, got that.
Fee-fi full flum, here I come. Okay, going to get on the scale. All right. Just in time, mate. All right. Or is it all right. I don't know whether to be like Kevin Hart or Matthew McConaughey. I'm saying No, I'm saying. Look at this. Whoa. I bet you anything we're like 108, 108.9. 108.9?
108.
I'll take it. Oh, 108.880. Was I not on point? Was I not on point? That is how you load wheat. And fuck up and correct it. Just like that. You're welcome. Compliments of the 10 Lug Thug. Have a great day.